guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Marie and welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title, today I will be showing you my skincare routine. I asked you guys on Instagram what were some video suggestions that you guys had for me, and someone did say they wanted a skincare routine, and in a couple videos back, a couple people said that they wanted a skincare routine as well. So here is the video. I have laid out all of my favorite products in front of me and I am so excited to share them with you guys. Before we get started with today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and of course subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. I do upload twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing to do is of course get this hair out of the way, so let's go ahead and tie it up. Now, normally I would obviously be in the bathroom when doing this, but for the sake of today's video, I did just bring a bowl of warm water here. I just finished filming another video prior to this one, and I left my makeup on to show you how I do normally take my makeup off. So first things first, we have to take off the lashes. My favorite products to use to take off my makeup is this Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser, and it is for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin. When talking about skincare, it is important to know what skin type you are, because if you are very dry or very oily, these products won't necessarily work for you. I am normal and sensitive, so this cleanser works perfectly for every day, or it is also great to take off my makeup. So I'll go ahead and wet my face and take it off using this. What I like to go with first though, before using this, is actually a makeup removing wipe, just because it helps really take off the mascara and the lipstick, and then this is good to take everything off. My two favorite wipes to use are these Neutrogena makeup removing night calming wipes. These are my favorite wipes, and I also love this Garnier Micellar water, and this is great to take everything off, even liquid lipsticks. This really does the job. So I usually just alternate between these two. For today, I'll be showing you this one. Now that I am done with the wipe, I will go ahead and put some of this. This is my favorite exfoliator. I do have sensitive skin, and this one is amazing because it doesn't feel like you're rubbing sand against your skin. It becomes very foamy when you put water with it, and it's just so gentle. And yes, there are of course the beads to exfoliate your skin, but they are so gentle. This is from Murad. It is the Pore Rescue Skin Smoothing Polish, and like it says in the name, it is amazing for your pores. So I love to go in with this. I only use this about 2 times a week, not more. So I'll only put about this much. You really don't need much, and I focus on using this around my T-zone area. So I don't know if you can see, but it does start to foam up when you do put some water. And just like with the cleanser and the exfoliator, I always go in circular motions. When you pat your face dry, you want to make sure to pat and not rub, just because it can stretch out your skin and it will help just prevent wrinkles for the future. Now, if ever it happens where I still have a bit of mascara under my eyes, what I will do is go with the Micellar water and just put a little bit on a cotton pad here, like this, and I will take out any residue from the eyeliner or mascara, or even from the eyelash glue. That is usually what is always left. My favorite lash glue is from House of Lashes, but it's really hard to take off sometimes just because it is so powerful. After I have exfoliated, the next thing I like to do is go in with a toner. My favorite one is from Ole Henriksen, and it's the Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I think this is my third or fourth bottle of this. That's how much I love it. This is great for your pores, and I do get some breakouts. If you can see, I have some here, I have some on the side of my face, a bit on my chin right now, and they are hormonal breakouts. But what I like to do, especially when they do pop out, is use this right on them. It is great at making them go down and just preventing new ones of coming up. So I will put just a bit on a cotton pad once again, and just put it all over my face. Also, when you are using your toner, you should see that on my cotton pad, I have no more makeup residue. So that means that the products I used prior to this did a good job at taking everything off. Because in the past, I have used other cleansers and other makeup removers where when I would get to this step of applying the toner, I would still see some foundation on the makeup pad and realize that the products I was using weren't very good. So you want to make this dry now before applying the next product. Normally, I always went with a serum. For the past 2 years at least, I was always using a serum, and I just realized that it wasn't really doing anything for me, so I stopped repurchasing it. And now I go directly in with my moisturizer. Same thing for eye cream. I used to always use an eye cream, and I also stopped using that because I found there were just too many steps to my skincare routine. And because there were so many steps and it took so long, sometimes I wouldn't feel motivated to go through all of them. So I have really made this routine for myself. I know all of these products work great for me, and I don't need 10,000 products like normal videos that I have seen here on YouTube on skincare routines. So I go straight in with moisturizer. Now when it comes to moisturizer, I have two different ones because like I said, I do have a normal skin type, but there are days where I am feeling a little drier, and then other days like on a hot summer day when I am a little oilier. So on the hot summer days, my favorite moisturizer to use is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Now it is a sleeping mask, but I use it day, night, whatever time it is. And on the days like in winter when my skin is feeling a little drier, I like to use this Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. For today, it is a little hotter, so I will be using this one. And I will also apply this under my eyes and use it as an eye cream as well. And when I do this, I like to do it in circular motions and always going upwards. You never want to drag your skin down because that's how you can create wrinkles, like I said, in the future. The last product that I have to show you today is this Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. This is great when I have breakouts. What I do is apply this on before going to bed at night on a pimple, and the next morning it will have disappeared. Of course, if I've had the pimple for about 3 days already, then it won't work as well. But if you catch this as soon as that guy comes out, I'm telling you, the next morning he will have completely disappeared. So as soon as I see one coming, I apply this directly right on it. I sleep on it, and the next morning you just have to wipe it off and your pimple will be gone. If you've noticed, I haven't shared a mask with you guys today, and that is because I haven't found one that I like. All the ones that I have tried have always broken me out. I've tried charcoal masks, I've tried clay masks, gel texture masks. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have any suggestions for me. Like I said, my skin is sensitive, so I haven't found a mask that just works for me. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you use the same products as me or if you are interested in trying one of them. I also forgot to mention that for the creams and the toner, I do have them in a cosmetic fridge. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!